Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Students, in the countdown, as we have started our chapter number 7, money, and today we are going to solve page number 104. Let's start it. Students, our topic is same value notes. Students, in the last lecture we have seen the rupees and the paisas and the notes. Okay, students, we have seen the rupees in paisas and also we have seen the category of the rupees that were the note and the coin. Here we are going to discuss same value notes. Okay, students, here add the money in column A, match the total amount with notes in the column B. So students, here in the first example, here I am having a 20 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 3 10 rupee notes. Here I am having the notes just like in your book. So students, let's count it: 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now students, how many amount of money in total we are having? We are having 50 rupees. So students, here I am also having a 50 rupee notes. Let's match the column. Look at this. In this, the total amount is 50 rupees and the column is matched with the 50 rupee note. Okay, now in the next, here there are 2 rupee coins and a 1 rupee coin. 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is equal to 5 rupees and here is a 5 rupee coin. Let's match this 5 rupee coin with this column. These are all the notes and here is a 5 rupee coin. So students, here is the right answer of our question number B. Now, so students, here I am adding these numbers by writing it here. First of all, the 2 rupee coin, the 2 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin. So here I am adding this 2 plus 2 plus 1. Now students, you are going to add these numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is the number 5. Let's match the column with the 5 rupee coin. Now students, in the next we are having 20, 20, 10 and 50. 20, 30, 40 and 50. These are the 50 and this one is the 50. So students, 50 plus 50 is 100. You can count these by drawing or writing these numbers here and then adding them. Look at this. I have written 50, 20, 20 and 10 rupees. Now students, 0, 0, 0 is 0. Let's count this one: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So students, this will be equal to 100 rupees. Have you seen the note of 100 rupee? Here I am having a 100 rupee note. Now students, let's match the column. Can you see a 100 rupee note here in the B column? Yes, this one is a 100 rupee. Now students, match the column. Here I have drawn the 2 dots. We are going to match them. Here with the help of the scale, I have matched these 2 columns. Next is a 5 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin. So students, here you can also add by writing it here. So students, as you know, 5 plus 5 is 10. So can you see a 10 rupee coin here or a 10 rupee note here? Here is a 10 rupee note. Can you find this 10 rupee note in your column B? Yes, here the first column is 10 rupee note. Let's match the column with this by using a scale. Now students, here is the next part in which a 10 rupee note and 2 coins of 5 rupees. 5 plus 5, let's write it here and then add the numbers. 10 plus 5 plus 5. Now students, let's add them. You are going to add the ones first and then the tens. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 0 is no effect on it. Here I am writing the 0 in the ones column, 1 carry into the tens column. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So how many rupees in total we are having here? we are having 20 rupees in total. Can you see the 20 rupee note here? Yes, this one is a 20 rupee note. Now let's match the column. Dear students, as we have matched the column with the correct note or the coin. Okay students? Now students, come on your next page, page number 105, and our today's topic is here at the top of the page. Question number 2. Here I am reading the statement first. Find the total amount in column A. We are going to find out the amount in the column A just like we have done it earlier, and then tick notes of the same value in the column B. So students, we are going to count the total money that is in column A and also count the total money that is in the column B. Then we are going to tick our answer. Okay. Now students, here look at this. Here we are having, this one is done for you, rupees 17 and rupees 29. So students, when we are going to add both of these numbers, then 9 plus 7 is 16. Here 6 is written. 1 will be carried to the tens column, and then 2, 3 and 4. There will be total rupees 46. Now students, here in the column B, look at this. We have to complete the 46 rupees from it. Okay, look at this. We are going to start from the bigger note and then to the smaller ones. Okay, look at this. 20 plus 20, that will be the 40, and next is 6. We have to complete the number 6. So students, if we select this will become the 50. So we are not going to take this one. So this is the number 5, 45 and 1, 46. Okay students, look at this. We have completed the required money that was added in this. Next is our part B. Here we are going to add the number 43 and the number 18. Students, let's start addition from the ones column. 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Let's write 1 here and 1 into the tens column. Now students, 4, 5 and 6. This will become the number 6. Now students, total amount is rupees 61. Okay, here is the rupees 61. Let's complete this rupees 61 from the notes. We will start from the bigger note first. Here 50 and then the smaller note from the 50, as the smaller note is 20. So when I add 50 and 20, this will become the 70, but I want to make it 61. So 50 plus 10, 60 and 61. Yes, here I am having a coin of 1 rupee. So students, 50 plus 10, 60, and this will become the number 61. Okay. Come towards the part C. Look at these students. Here we are going to add firstly the ones column. 7 plus 6, that is equal to 13. Here I am writing the number 3 and 1 will be carried to the tens column. Now 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will become the number 6. Okay, how many rupees in total we are having? We are having 63 rupees. Now let's complete it from the notes here. Look at this students, we will start from the notes of the 20. 20 plus 20, this will become 40, plus 20, this will become 60. Now students, you can also count by writing first of all 20, then the 20, and then by adding this in this process. Okay, 20, 20 and 20, this will become the number 60, and we have to complete how many numbers? 63. So after the 60, if I add the 5 rupee coin, this will be 65, but I want to make it 63. So I will take the 2 rupee coin, making 62, and a 1 rupee coin, and in total this will be 63. 20 plus 20, that is 40, plus 20, that is 60, plus 2, 62 and plus 1, this will become the number 63. Okay, as we have required in this question. Now students, in the next part D, starting from the ones column, 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So student, this will be 10. Here I am writing 0 of the 10 and 1 into the ones column. 5, 6 and 7. This will become the rupees 70. Okay students, how many rupees in total? We are having 70 rupees. Let's complete it from our notes column. Here we are having the bigger note is of 50, so we are taking it 50. We have to complete the number 70, so after the 50 I am taking the note of 10. This will become 60, and this note of 10, 50, 60 and 70. Okay students, you can also count this by or adding by the process of addition in this way. Okay, come towards our next part E, in which we are going to add 25 and the 14. Starting from the ones column, 5 plus 4, that is equal to the 9. 2 plus 1, that is equal to the 3. Now in total this will become the rupees 39. Let's count it from here. Starting from the bigger note, 20. Now 19 are left. If I select this one, this will become 40, but I want 39 rupees. So 20 plus 10, that is 30. Next is 19. How can I complete the number 19? Smaller coin from the 10 is 5. So I am taking the coin of the 5. How many rupees in total I have selected till now? 20, 30 and 35. Now 4 are left. 2 rupee coin and also a 2 rupee coin. Now students, this will become 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is 30 and this is 9. So 39 rupees. Okay, come towards the next part. That is the part F. Let's start from the ones column. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 plus 1, that is the 8. How many rupees in total? They are 87 rupees. Okay, now let's complete it from this column. 50, and then the smaller note from the 50 is 20, so I am taking this 20 rupee note. How many rupees in total we are having? 50, 60 and 70. So students, this is 50, 60, 70 and I want to make 87. So 50, 60, 70 and this 10 rupee note, this will become the number 80. Next are remaining the 7. So I am making it from a 5 rupee coin. This will become 85, 86 by a 1 rupee coin and 87 by another 1 rupee coin. Okay students, now in total we are having 87 rupees. Okay students, we have completed our page number 105. So students, try to practice these by taking the notes and then counting and making the money according to the required price. Okay students, okay, take care beta. Allah Hafiz.